The police officer investigating the disappearance of fisherman Brian Odhiambo has identified 6 KWS rangers as the last people who interacted with him before he went missing. Chief Inspector Julius Muhuri told the court that from analysis, Odhiambo's phone signals were close to the suspect's phones at the time he's alleged to have been arrested for trespassing into the Nakuru National Park to conduct illegal fishing. Muhuri also told the court that the KWS Rangers never booked the arrest or escape of Odhiambo in their occurrence book. Gatete Njoroge reports.
After hearing from 3 witnesses on Monday,
his whereabouts,
it was the investigating officer's turn to take to the witness stand. Julius Muhuri, a chief inspector of police, in his submission, placed the 6 KWS Rangers at the scene where Brian Odhiambo was allegedly last seen.
We were able to see that they were in close proximity with Brian Odhiambo at around 10:00 hours to 11:00 hours. That was the time when Brian Odhiambo was reportedly arrested by the said KWS officers.
While questioning the statement by one of the suspects, alleging Odhiambo had escaped from the KWS vehicle after his arrest, Muhuri said there was no record of his arrest or escape in the occurrence book.
The KWS officers that day never booked any suspect that had escaped from their custody or incident that they had arrested anyone who had escaped. However, we noted in the remarks column in that occurrence book, there was an entry that was appended there. This confirms actually that they had arrested the said person.
The officer complained of facing frustrations during investigations, a case in point where they were allowed to access information 4 days after they made a request.
Do you have any evidence?
Muhuri was taken to task by the suspect's lawyers, who questioned the phone that Odhiambo was using, which had his wife's SIM card.
Is registered under whose name?
Albi Okello.
And you've confirmed to court that Albi Okello is not the subject matter in this suit, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
The investigating officer says they are yet to recover the said phone.
And the evidence that was brought before us indicated actually they know whereabouts of Brian Odhiambo and they have continued to confine him.
Muhuri told the court that on the fateful day, at least 16 rangers were in the operation to arrest those involved in illegal fishing. With 15 witnesses having testified, Nakuru Senior Principal Magistrate Kipkurui Kibelion has directed the case be mentioned on February 16, 2026.
Brian Odhiambo has never been found.
Gatete Njoroge, Citizen TV.
Thank you.